Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do an unboxing. I finally got my brand new Ringke iPhone case, which is for my 15 Pro model, and I really like the Ringke Fusion X model, and you'll know why. Let's go cut it out. So here is the case cover. Let's cut and see how it looks. Let's go. So here's how it looks like before cutting off the real one. Nice, looks good. It's a transparent black one of Ringke. So it looks like this. It's all transparent at the back. It has very good finer edges. You look at the quality, it's pretty good. And if you look at this, it even has this raised edges, like you'll get some extra camera protection out of it. And what I really liked about it is like this X frameworks over here. Like, do you see the rug design? The grip is really good. Like, see if I can hold it pretty well. Yeah, and I really like the way they kept this, like, too. You can just remove the plastic or just with so let's go, let's wrap it up. Let's remove this wrapper. Nice. Oh, it still has the inside part. I'm sorry guys, I'm holding another phone with my other hand, or I could remove it easily. Oh, it's clean, man. Okay, chalo. And here we go. Okay, it fits pretty well. Nice. This looks good, man. Nice. See, as I told you don't need extra camera protection. Like, okay, you need to pop it up here. So here, what do you see? Like, I really like the way here you don't need that extra camera back protector. This case already covers that for you, and you have this hard grip. And also I like the transparent background. It shows the Apple logo efficiently. Okay, chalo. Let's see, that's my review of this phone. I really like it. I don't know, like a lot of people don't like it, but it looks good to me. It's worth the money, I would say. If you're planning to buy a costly iPhone, it's better to invest in a good protective gear as well, so that you don't have that costly repairs of Apple thing. Yeah, and I really like, I don't know, like, it is really hard. The case is good. The case is, I guess it's TPU plus PC polycarbonate. Nice. Hello guys, taking off. I hope you like this video. So we'll get back soon in another video. And if you're new to this channel, like, I mostly am a gamer, I'm a designer. I haven't found a niche yet, but let's see how it goes on. I mostly post videos on gaming, on design, and what is lifestyle design. Mostly, like, let's have a separate video on that. But thanks for sticking around. Let's go. Peace.